Welcome to Corp Origin. In this video, I am going to talk about Zomato. Zomato is an Indian multinational restaurant aggregator and food delivery company. Zomato provides information, menu, and user reviews of restaurants as well as food delivery options from partner restaurants in more than 1000 Indian cities and towns as of 2023. In 2024, company reported revenue of $1.5 billion and a net income of $42 million. Question is that how restaurant listing and recommendation website become so big. Let's start with beginning. Zomato was founded as Foodie Bay in 2008 by Dipender Goyal and Pankaj Chadha, who worked for Bain and Company. The website started as a restaurant listing and recommendation portal. They renamed the company Zomato in 2010 as they were unsure if they would just stick to food and also to avoid a potential naming conflict with eBay. Zomato launched Zomato.xxx, a site dedicated to food porn. Later in 2011, Zomato officially launched an online ticketing platform for events. In 2011, it expanded across India. In 2012, it expanded operations internationally in several countries. In January 2015, Zomato acquired Seattle-based restaurant discovery portal Urban Spoon, which led to the firm's entry into the United States and Australia. This US expansion brought Zomato into direct competition with similar models such as Yelp and Foursquare. In 2015, Zomato started its food delivery service in India. In April 2015, Zomato acquired Nextable, which was renamed Zomato Book. In 2015, it acquired cloud-based point-of-sales company MapleGraph Solution, and in April 2016 launched its own version of POS for restaurant owners called Zomato Base. Later that year, Zomato acquired Spirits Lab. In 2018, company acquired Votu and renamed it as Hyperpure to supply food ingredients such as grains, vegetables and meat to restaurants from its warehouse. In April 2020, due to a fall in food delivery and rising demand for online grocery ordering amid the COVID-19 pandemic, Zomato began delivering groceries and essentials under a service named Zomato Market in 80+ cities across India. In April 2020, it introduced contactless dining at its partner restaurant. Zomato closed operations of Zomato Market in June 2020. In July 2021, Zomato went public, opening its initial public offering at a valuation of over $8 billion. In June 2022, Zomato announced the acquisition of quick commerce company Blinkit for $568 million. In August 2022, Zomato launched a service called Intercity Legends in Delhi NCR that allowed users to have food delivered from famous restaurants in other cities within a few days. In June 2023, Zomato launched a feature that enabled users to build carts from up to 4 restaurants and place the order together. In October 2023, the company started offering hyperlocal package delivery service on a separate app called Xstream. This is the complete journey of Zomato. Thanks for watching this video.